Sabay lang mo biya.
Clap your hands. Okay. And giving back the mic to our MC, Purcell.
Thank you, Ma'am Sarah, for that warm welcome. Moving on, let us witness a song solo number to be given to us by Kenneth Mayoko.
Again, children, lahi ang fourth quarter of finals. Kani fourth quarter ani. Okay? Akong klaroon kay basta may manghila. Ma'am, ano to mga high honors today, ano mang dili mang ako ang nadawan. So again, naatay first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. To sum it up, naatay final. Now final ka ng honor pupils. So kana sa final na to, muna nas na musaka sa stage. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready, grade 2 strawberry? Okay, for the fourth quarter, with high honors. This is in alphabetical order. Okay? With high honors. Era Life A. Caballero. mag-take like picture sa itong mga anak. Uy, mga tapihan. Okay, the last but not the least, with high honors, King Al-Nasrin A. Sandalo. The only thorn among the roses. Congratulations. So these are the pupils. Anong kadugot? Nagkadugamay. Okay, yan. So these are the, can you hold your certificates? Yan, properly. These are the pupils with high honors for the fourth quarter. Let us clap our hands for them. Congratulations. Okay, go to your places now. Okay, these are the pupils with honors in alphabetical order. Okay, unahin ko na lang yung boys, ha? Okay, with honors, that Justin M. Almonte. Okay, with honors, Mohammed Jamir S. Amiro. With honors, Samir Said D. Marcoman. award. Please, Mami. Get ready, Ishan. Wala to. Wala? Okay, get ready, Andre Moses. Okay? Sige, sa harap, Andre. Okay, Andre Moses, doon sa harap mo lang. Okay, Boys Club of the Year. Collaborative Kid Awards, Sporty Kid Award, Happy Helper Award, and Great Giver Award. Mami, come here. Pagpa-picture na, Mami. Okay, get ready, Rockers Jet. Just get ready. First, Mami. Ayan na. Okay, Mami. Don't worry. Yan. Okay, Rockers Jet Malinaw. Okay, Rockers Jet Boys Club of the Year. Good Handwriting Award, Cheerful Soul Award, Great Giver Award, and Participative Kid Award. Congratulations! Get ready, Samir Zain. Okay, clap your hands also. Kayo lahat eh. Okay, Samir Zain, Boys Club of the Year, Great Giver Award, Participative Kid Award, Star Reader Award, and Happy Helper Award. Okay, doon sa gitna. Get ready, Zain Masikampo. Pasensya po mga inahanak, makakay mong. Sige, diyan lang po. Pamaypay lang po. Kung padala ng mga kuwan yung mga makeup. Ayan, again. Down, down. Hindi matapatok. Ayan. O, nanay na palit po certificate. Nanay na palit na certificate lang na ako na. Okay, next we have Zain Masikampo. Okay, Boys Club of the Year, Happy Helper Award, Brave Soul Award, Sporty Kid Award, Collaborative Kid Award, and Great Giver Award. O, mali yung mga bata na kaibigan sa gawas, mga Sporty Kid. Kaya pinanunod lang. Joke. Joke na tinoon. Okay, get ready, Prince DeAndre Molimon. Where is Mama Diay? You see? Okay. Okay, we have Prince DeAndre Molimon. Boys Club of the Year, Brave Soul Award, Igor Giver Award, Great Giver Award, DCB Award, and Artistic Hand Award. Okay, please do the honor natin. Okay, coming from, okay, Girls Club of the Year, Great Giver Award, DCB Award, Participative Kid Award, Young Singer Award, Cheerful Soul Award, Star Reader Award, and Artistic Hand Award. Okay, congratulations to Hel. Please do honor. Okay, kuhan yun siya, kanang matusok yung kamot sa spinning of ribbon. Kaya ang ribbon, hindi na siya pwede mo, medal, i-garland. It's really pinning. So, bahalag mga sakit na itong kamot, basta nakapinta na. Okay, get ready, Era Life. You'll be the next. Oh, take picture. Smile. Congratulations, Kahel. Next we have Era Life Caballero. Okay, Brave Soul Award. Batang Masikap Award, Artistic Hand Award, Knit Kid Award, Determined Kid Award, Cheerful Soul Award, Batang Maasahan and Star Media Award. Congratulations! Okay, get ready, Veronica. Oh, may nang kita na magsakit ang kamot. Ako masakit kayo ang kamot. Okay, Veronica Catampo. Girl Scout Award, Prudent Kid Award, Great Giver Award, Brave Soul Award, Batang Musika, Star Reader, and Batang Magalang Award. Congratulations! Ay, pinaanak ha? Okay, get ready, Rainiel Mea Sanyo.
Balik lang sa plastic ha. Aman yung kuhan. Ang pagkaon tabi dito ay sa bangko. Wala dito. Ano ba? Umiyak nito. Tapos lahat ba na ngaon? Hindi ko man rin man. Harap ko be.
Okay. Kamay pa mo inahanak, kaya ako nabilang mo hinimuan eh. Okay, Rainiel. Okay, Rainiel, Girl Scout of the Year, Batang Maasahan, Artistic Head Award, Great Giver, Cheerful Soul Award, Good Handwriting Award, Leadership Kid Award, Perfect Attendance, and BCB Award. Congratulations. Get ready. Precious Rian.
Ay, so na sila be. So sila. Sa kana ma'am. Nananayaw. Sige, maguna sa Merry Christmas ba? Aw. GBL eh, mahal lang GBL.
Saka palit may gamay.
Anay gamay, hanapin pa.
Ana, oblong sir, ana gamay. Pero gitala sa kumbahan na.
Hanapin pa.
Ay, ako ba? Ako ba? Ano ba eh? Okay, para dala-dala ako sa nialaya man ba? Skilahan o practice. Sige na po siya.
expect ba?
Ala, busy pa sila.
Ano niya, masakitan.
Sige, unya na lang ako ha, mag-start. Unya na ako mag-start.
Dili kay magsapan sa teacher.
Okay. Now, of course, bisag wala na appeal sa honor pupils, I will give honor to them. Kaya no, naningkamot po sila, no? Okay, these are the pupils. These are the achiever. Although wala sila kaabot sa 90% sa general average. Okay, now you still have the chance next year. Children, do not be sad. Ako pag have mo chance next year. So that's just do your best. No? Okay, I know, kabalo mo kung sa inyong kakulangon. No, sakit niya siya. No, kung mag-announce sa dito maging ani, sakit siya para sa mga, I know, mas masakitan ang mama. But you know, kabalo mo kung sa capability sa bata and kabalo po sa kung sa kulang. No, natay kulang gamay. Okay. These are the achievers for the school year 2023-2024. Okay. Wala? Ishan, wala, no? Okay, so we have Andre Moses Lasherda. Come here, Andre. Where's Mama? Trixie, wala? Where's Mama? Okay. So, natay ko nung ka-absent. Ang Doma, I don't know what happened to them. But Sevilla, they are in Dumaguete right now. So, excuse. Okay, next achiever we have. Ayan ay naghuman. Okay, congratulations. Smile on the smile with Kuya. Okay, achiever we have Zia Natalie Kutan. Okay, Zia, come here. Okay, get ready, achiever. Next, pwede na ka magpa-picture sa mga mami. Nang, pwede ka ilan ka sa ilama. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula, Division of Pagadian City, West District, Balangasan Central Elementary School, presents this Academic Excellence Award 2 for being recognized as with an average for the school year 2023-2024. Given this 27th day of May 2024 during the classroom recognition at Balangasan Central Elementary School, Pagadian City, signed yours truly and Rowena Arnold Paseba, our school principal. With high honors, with an average of 96%, this is in alphabetical order still. Congratulations, Era Life A. Caballero. Clap your hands.
Si Rosel, hindi na siya hangin sa support niya.
Pero nga lang, di ba nalang gusto nga lang gusto mo hataw.
Nagpapil ka sa stage. Hindi kasi ganyan yung mga Sanchez yung mga sa stage.
Alright, so